Today I'm performing a tire rotation, brake inspection, and oil change on a 2012 to 2017 Toyota Camry. First, I safely raised the vehicle and prepared for service. I loosened the lug nuts before removing the rear wheel. With the wheel removed, I inspect the rear brakes for pad thickness and wear. Do you check your brakes at every tire rotation? The front tire is rotated to the rear and the lug nuts are hand tightened. I also inspect the front brakes to make sure everything is wearing evenly. The front wheel is installed and the lug nuts are hand tightened. How often do you rotate your tires? The lug nuts are snugged down before final torque. Tire pressure is checked and adjusted to specification. Next, I remove the lower engine oil cover. I loosen and remove the oil filter first, then remove the drain plug to fully drain the old oil. Do you change your oil by mileage or by time? A new oil filter is installed and the drain plug is reinstalled and torqued to spec. The oil cover is reinstalled and secured. Fresh engine oil is added according to Toyota's recommended capacity. The oil cap is reinstalled and the engine area is cleaned. What oil brand do you run in your Camry? If this video helped, leave a like and comment what your Camry you drive.